Hi guys, hope you guys are good today. Today I'm going to be sharing this very yummy mackerel rice with you guys and very easy to put together as well. So we're gonna start now by adding a little bit of sunflower oil to our pot, and I'm going to be grating onions and pepper. See, I'm using a lot of onions for this, and I'm using canned diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes. So now my oil is hot enough. Just add the diced onions and ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to fry this for a couple of seconds. Then add fresh prawns, and I'm going to fry this little bit, not totally cooked yet, because it's still going in the rice later. So just bring them out now. Now I pour in my grated onions and pepper. You can also blend it smooth if you want. You can also use fresh tomatoes. Pour in my canned diced tomatoes. Now I'm going to add my mackerel. Now I'm going to cook this together a little bit for 3 minutes. Then I'm going to bring the mackerel out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and curry powder, 1 stock cube. Give it a good mix and let it cook for 3 minutes. Now it has been cooking, so now I'm going to bring the mackerel out. They are not totally cooked yet, they are still going in the pot of rice later. So now I just poured in my parboiled rice. Give it a very good mix. Then add a little bit of water because my rice was already parboiled. So I added dry grounded crayfish, little bit of salt, curry powder, 1 stock cube. Give it a very good mix together. Add water to it. Yeah, I put the lid on and I'll let it cook. Until it's half done. See, there's still water in the rice. It's not completely dried yet. So now I just pour in my prawns. Hope you didn't forget, I told you it's going back in later. So now my mackerels are going back in. Then I'm going to put the lid on and let the rice cook till it's dry. Then my food is ready. So yummy. See, that is it. Remember when we were in school in those days, this is always what we cook. Very easy to put together. That is it. Thank you for watching.